While some barbarian kingdoms sought to preserve Roman administrative forms, others emerged in regions where Roman civilization had already weakened or withdrawn. These were the Roman-displacing kingdoms, polities that did not attempt to govern through Roman institutions, but instead constructed new political orders on Roman foundations that were already crumbling. These kingdoms arose where contact with Roman administration had been shallow, where urban life had declined early, or where Roman elites had disappeared or fled. As a result, there was little incentive, and often little ability, to preserve Roman systems of governance. The Anglo-Saxons in Britain provide the clearest example. When Roman authority collapsed in Britain in the early 5th century, it left behind a society already isolated from continental administration. Roman cities declined rapidly, coinage disappeared, and long-distance trade collapsed. Into this vacuum came Angles, Saxons, and Jutes, not as inheritors of Roman governance, but as founders of entirely new political communities. Here, Roman law did not survive as a governing system. Kings ruled through personal authority, customary law, and kinship structures. Political power was local, fragmented, and fluid. Over time, multiple small kingdoms emerged, each shaped more by Germanic tradition than Roman precedent. Christianity would later reintroduce elements of Roman culture, but early Anglo-Saxon society developed largely outside the Roman legal tradition. The Franks present a more complex case. Initially, Frankish rule displaced Roman authority without attempting to preserve its institutions. Early Frankish kings governed through military leadership and customary law, not bureaucracy. Roman administration faded quickly in northern Gaul. Yet, unlike the Anglo-Saxons, the Franks gradually absorbed Roman elements, not through imitation, but through selective adaptation. What distinguishes Roman-displacing kingdoms is not hostility to Rome, but indifference. Roman governance was not rejected, it was simply no longer relevant. These societies developed new political norms, rooted in personal loyalty, landholding, and warrior culture. Kingship became inseparable from military leadership, and authority was exercised face-to-face rather than through institutions. Paradoxically, these kingdoms often proved more durable than Roman adaptive ones. Freed from dependence on decaying Roman structures, they were better suited to the realities of early medieval Europe. The Franks, in particular, would become the foundation of medieval Western Christendom. The significance of Roman-displacing kingdoms lies in what they reveal about historical change. The Middle Ages did not emerge solely through the preservation of Roman systems. They also emerged through replacement, innovation, and adaptation to local conditions.